In this video, we listed the 5 best smart and cool tools for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Works NITRO Pruning Shear. The Works NITRO Pruning Shear, Lopper WG330 is a high-performance, battery-powered tool designed to simplify pruning and lopping tasks in gardens and landscapes. As part of the Works NITRO line, it emphasizes power, efficiency, and user convenience, making it ideal for both casual gardeners and professionals. Key features: cordless operation, powered by a 20V lithium-ion battery. It offers portability and freedom of movement without the hassle of cords. Battery and charger included. The package includes a compatible battery and charger, ensuring you have everything needed to start pruning right away. Efficient cutting. The pruning shear delivers precision cuts with minimal effort, thanks to its powerful motor and sharp blade, capable of handling branches up to 1 inch thick. Durability and design. Built with robust materials, the tool is designed to withstand regular use in challenging outdoor environments. Its ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue, even during extended use. Product 2. Product name: Buffer Polisher. A buffer polisher is a versatile and powerful tool designed for sanding, polishing, and waxing various surfaces like cars, boats, and other vehicles. The 1600W 7-inch, 6-inch rotary buffer polisher waxer is a highly efficient model, featuring a robust motor capable of delivering consistent power for a range of detailing and maintenance tasks. Its key features include variable speed control. With 7 adjustable speed settings ranging from 1000 to 3500 RPM, the buffer polisher offers flexibility to suit different materials and applications, ensuring optimal results without damaging the surface. Interchangeable pads. The inclusion of both 7-inch and 6-inch pads enhances its usability for large and intricate surfaces alike, making it suitable for detailed polishing or broader waxing jobs. Ergonomic design. A detachable handle allows for comfortable operation and greater control during extended use. This design reduces user fatigue and increases precision in tasks requiring finesse. Applications. Ideal for automotive detailing, it excels in removing scratches, swirl marks, and oxidation. Product 3. Product name: Works Cordless Electric Scissors. The Works WX082L4V Zip Snip cordless electric scissors are a versatile and compact cutting tool, designed to handle a variety of materials with precision and ease. Powered by a 4V lithium-ion battery, these scissors offer cordless convenience and long-lasting performance, making them ideal for both household and crafting applications. Key features include rotary cutter design, ensures clean and precise cuts through materials like fabric, cardboard, carpet, leather, and plastic. Safety and ergonomics. A safety lock feature prevents accidental starts, while the lightweight and ergonomic grip make it comfortable to use for extended periods. Self-sharpening blade. The blade maintains its sharpness for consistent performance over time. Battery longevity. The 4V lithium-ion battery offers extended usage, and the USB charging capability makes recharging convenient. Product 4. Product name: InoCraft BB Shark 4-inch cordless mini chainsaw. The InoCraft BB Shark 4-inch cordless mini chainsaw is a compact and portable handheld tool designed for light-duty cutting tasks in gardens, courtyards, and tree trimming projects. Powered by a brushless electric motor, it offers enhanced efficiency, reduced noise, and a longer lifespan compared to traditional motors. The chainsaw comes equipped with 2 rechargeable batteries and a charger, ensuring uninterrupted operation during extended use. Key features include its lightweight design, making it easy to handle and maneuver, and its 4-inch cutting capability, which is ideal for pruning branches, cutting small logs, and maintaining outdoor spaces. The InoCraft BB Shark chainsaw emphasizes user safety with built-in safety features, such as a protective guard and an ergonomic grip to reduce fatigue during prolonged use. Product 5. Product name: Cordless Reciprocating Saw. The Ryobi 1 Plus 18V Cordless Reciprocating Saw, PCL 515B, is a versatile and powerful cutting tool designed for a wide range of DIY and professional applications. As part of the Ryobi 1 Plus system, it operates on the same 18V lithium-ion batteries compatible with a host of other Ryobi tools, ensuring convenience and cost efficiency for users invested in this platform. Key features: cordless design. Powered by an 18V battery, the tool provides unrestricted mobility, making it ideal for outdoor, overhead, or confined space applications. High cutting performance. Features a powerful motor capable of handling wood, metal, and plastic cutting tasks with ease, catering to both demolition and precision tasks. Variable speed trigger. Allows users to adjust cutting speed for optimal control and precision in different materials. Tool-free blade changes. The quick-release blade clamp ensures fast and hassle-free blade replacements, enhancing user efficiency. Product 6. Product name: Estwing Shear Split Wedge. The ESTWING Shear Split Wedge is a robust and efficient tool designed for wood splitting tasks, combining strength, durability, and precision. Featuring a 5-pound weight and a 1 7/8 cutting edge, this tool is ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, woodworkers, and homeowners managing firewood or timber. Key highlights include: forged steel construction, built for maximum durability and resistance to wear, ensuring the wedge can handle repeated heavy impacts. Shear split design. Its unique design facilitates an easier split by directing the force effectively into the wood, reducing effort and enhancing efficiency. Ideal for various applications, suitable for splitting logs for firewood, camping, or other woodcraft needs, making it a versatile addition to outdoor or household toolkits. Product 7. Product name: ThinkWork Bolt Extractor Set. The ThinkWork Bolt Extractor Set is a comprehensive toolkit designed for dealing with stubborn, damaged, or corroded fasteners, making it an essential addition for DIY enthusiasts, automotive mechanics, and professional tradespeople. This set includes 13+1 impact-grade extractor sockets specifically engineered to remove stripped, frozen, rusted, and rounded-off bolts, nuts, and screws with ease. The high-strength sockets are made from durable materials, ensuring longevity and resistance to wear even under demanding conditions. Designed for use with impact wrenches or ratchets, the set provides superior grip and torque, allowing users to tackle challenging tasks efficiently. Key features include a variety of socket sizes to accommodate different fastener dimensions and a compact carrying case for organized storage and portability. Product 8. Product name: K4 Pocket Hole Jig. The K4 Pocket Hole Jig is a versatile and adjustable tool designed to simplify the process of creating strong, durable joints in woodworking projects. Tailored for use with materials ranging in thickness from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches, this jig provides precision and consistency, ensuring rock-solid joints with every use. Key features include easily adjustable drill guides that accommodate different material dimensions, making it a perfect choice for hobbyists and professionals alike. The K4 is particularly valued for its user-friendly design, which allows for quick setups and efficient work without sacrificing accuracy. Its robust construction ensures longevity, while their versatility enables users to tackle a variety of projects, from furniture building to smaller household repairs. Product 9. Product name: Automatic Wire Stripper. The Jacari 20050 Ergonomic Super 4 Plus Automatic Wire Stripper is a professional-grade tool designed for effortless and precise wire stripping. Suitable for wires with diameters ranging from 0.2 mm to 6 mm, this device is an ideal choice for electricians, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals working on wiring or electronic projects. Its compact dimensions of 16.5 cm L x 14 cm W x 2.7 cm H make it lightweight and easy to handle during extended use. Key features: automatic adjustment. The tool automatically adjusts to the wire size, ensuring accurate stripping without damaging the wire core. Ergonomic design. Its well-thought-out, ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. Durability. Constructed with high-quality materials, the Super 4 Plus offers reliable performance and long-lasting use. Versatility, designed to strip a wide range of wire sizes, making it suitable for various applications, including household wiring, electronics, and automotive work. Product 10. Product name NITRO Carpenter Pencil. The NITRO Carpenter Pencil is a versatile and reliable tool tailored for construction professionals, architects, and woodworking enthusiasts. This set is thoughtfully designed to meet the rigorous demands of heavy-duty tasks, combining functionality, durability, and convenience. Key features of this pencil set include mechanical design. Unlike traditional carpenter pencils, this set offers mechanical pencils with refillable leads, ensuring consistent performance and eliminating the need for sharpening mid-task. Deep hole marker. The pencils are equipped with an extended tip, making them ideal for marking in hard-to-reach places such as tight gaps, deep holes, or behind fixtures. Refill variety. The set includes 26 refills, providing long-lasting usage. Refills come in various hardness levels suitable for different surfaces like wood, metal, or concrete. Integrated sharpener. A built-in sharpener ensures the tip remains precise, promoting accurate markings essential for precision work. Product 11. Product name K4 in-1 Drilling Positioning Ruler. The K4 in-1 Drilling Positioning Ruler is a versatile and adjustable tool designed for precision in woodworking and cabinet installation. Measuring 13.78 inches, it functions as a multifunctional T-square ruler, offering a range of capabilities for various drilling and marking tasks. The tool is especially beneficial for cabinet hardware jigs, making it ideal for marking accurate hole positions in cabinet doors, drawers, and furniture components. With its adjustable design, the K4 ruler allows for customization according to the specific size and spacing requirements of different projects. This makes it particularly useful for woodworking, where precise hole placement is crucial for hardware installation, such as hinges, knobs, or pulls. The ruler's multifunctionality extends to acting as a marking gauge for ensuring accurate measurements during the cutting and drilling processes. Product 12. Product name Wheel Impaktor. The Wera 0500 for 595001 Wheel Impaktor C-Set 1 socket set is a high-performance toolset designed for heavy-duty use, particularly in automotive, construction, and mechanical applications. This set includes 3 1/2 drive sockets and is part of Wera's renowned Impaktor series, known for its durability and exceptional torque transfer. The sockets in this set are made with black finished steel, which enhances their resistance to wear and corrosion. They are specifically designed to handle extreme forces, thanks to their Impaktor technology, a unique construction that provides an extended service life by reducing the risk of damage from high impact or heavy torque. This 3-piece set is ideal for tasks requiring reliable grip and high torque, such as tire or wheel servicing. The set includes a range of socket sizes suitable for a variety of wheel bolts and other fasteners. Product 13. Product name Wettles Corner Clamp. The Wettles Corner Clamp is a versatile and essential tool for woodworking projects, particularly for tasks that require precise 90-degree right-angle joints. This set includes for adjustable, spring-loaded clamps, making it ideal for framing, building furniture, photo framing, and other carpentry needs. The clamp ensures that pieces of wood are held securely at a right angle while you work, providing stability and accuracy. The spring-loaded mechanism makes it easy to adjust, saving time and effort during assembly. The bright orange color not only adds a vibrant touch but also enhances visibility for easy handling. This tool makes an excellent gift for dad or anyone who enjoys DIY woodworking, carpentry, or home improvement. Its robust build quality ensures that it can withstand repeated use, while its user-friendly design makes it suitable for both beginners and seasoned professionals. Whether you're creating a photo frame, building furniture. Product 14. Product name Sliding Door Guide. The sliding door guide is an essential component for ensuring the smooth operation and stability of sliding doors, such as those used in band-style doors, cabinets, or other applications requiring a bottom floor guide. Specifically, the new low-profile wall-mounted band door bottom floor guide, with an adjustable bracket, is designed to offer a sleek, functional solution for guiding band doors along their track while maintaining a flush bottom. This particular model features a matte black metal finish, adding a stylish and modern touch to any interior decor. With a set of 4 pieces, The guide includes all the hardware needed for easy installation and offers adjustable brackets to accommodate different door widths and clearances. The low-profile design ensures minimal visibility, providing a clean aesthetic without sacrificing performance. This type of guide is particularly useful for barn doors or cabinet doors, preventing them from swinging. Product 15. Product name Fix-It Sticks Tightening Kit. The Fix-It Sticks Tightening Kit is an all-in-one torque driver tool designed for precision tightening tasks. With an accuracy of plus or minus 10%, it allows for tightening in the range of 15 to 65 inch-pounds, making it ideal for various applications, including bike maintenance, automotive work, and other small mechanical tasks that require a specific torque. The kit includes a T-way wrench, a variety of bits, and socket adapters, making it versatile for different types of fasteners and repairs. This tool is particularly useful for users who need consistent torque application to avoid over-tightening or under-tightening, ensuring better results and longer-lasting components. The compact design and high-quality construction make the fix.